Alright guys, today I'm going to change the intake manifold on my daily driver. This LS3 swapped E90 BMW. Right now it's got a stock, just GM LS3 intake manifold. I'm going to try out one of the Brain Tooley Equalizer manifold and see if it picks up any power. This engine's got pretty aggressive cam. It's a BTR stage 4, I believe, along with ported cylinder heads and stock bottom end basically, but you know, all the rest of the bolt-ons to go with it. All in all, these swaps go super easy, at least for us. We've done a few of them now, and they're really neat cars to drive. You get to retain all your stock interior stuff as far as like your dash and whatnot, and everything pretty much works in here. Well, never mind is mad because we're on the dyno right now, and well, all the lights are on because the ABS and traction control's all pissed off at us. But other than that, speedometer works, tach works, fuel level works, coolant temperature works, all that good stuff. So really, you don't have to have any fancy things to make the stock dash work. It's really neat because they sell this little can adapter box to make that all work out. Couldn't be more happy the way the car turns out. I love driving these things. Alright, so we've made 2 pulls so far. Got some pretty consistent numbers. Really cool down for a quick minute. We're going to make another rip on it and let it cool down, tear it apart. We're going to do some back-to-back dyno stuff on this. There it is. Made 3 pulls. Let one of them kind of cool down. That's what it used to look like. Put it out here in a minute. And here's what we made horsepower wise. 460, 461, and then after a little bit of a cool down, 465. Keep in mind this thing's normally tuned on E85, but it is wintertime here in Columbus, Ohio. So we got like a gas, maybe E30 mix going on. It's made 490 on E85 the way it's set up now. So we'll see what we're going to gain just back to back with that intake manifold swap. There it is. Seems like it fits the car pretty good. So if you're doing an LS swap into an E90 chassis, that BTR intake manifold fits like a glove. Now, the real test. Let's see what it does. Picked up a little bit of horsepower here, but we gave up a whole lot here. I think it needs more RPM. Unfortunately, it's on a stock set of lifters like LS7 style. I don't really like pushing those much more than 7,000. We wound up turning the rev limiter up a little bit, ran it to about 7,500, and well, there's where the gains are, up here. That manifold wants to live above 6,000 RPMs. After letting it cool down, we don't have nearly as much loss in the mid-range. I think we just had a little bit high air temps from letting it idle for a while before making the first few pulls. But there it is. That's what we gain on a BTR equalizer manifold.